Hello there. Welcome to our demonstration of how to use MongoDB 3.6 on Windows Server 2016. And it's available just through one click in the Amazon AWS Marketplace. You can go there and look for Charming MongoDB 3.6. You should find it. Okay. It's a really easy installation after you launch it. You can just access the database and start building without even opening up the Windows Server. Of course, you're going to want to open the Windows Server later. So let's just see how that is. As you see in a PowerShell, we just log in. I'm going to log out and then we'll log back in. Just that easy. The right over here is the host name that I copied from the AWS management console. Just copy it from here. There's a little thing to copy. And the password is the instance ID. You can copy it from there. And we just paste them here. But we're just going to press enter. And we're going to log in and create a database. Okay. All right, so there we have it. Okay, so if we want to create a database, here we have some instructions at our blog, charming.click is the blog, charmingcloud.net/blog. You can go there. So we're gonna, in order to create a database, you don't have to do create database like in other relational databases. Just do use. So we're going to create a database called CharmingDB. We're going to paste it in here, hopefully not twice. So now it's switched to CharmingDB, and now that it was created, but it wasn't really created because it doesn't exist until you write something to it. So we're going to write some stuff to it now. We're going to just call it charmingcloud.net. You can add as many fields as you want. The name of the field is name. Now we're going to write it. Okay, we're going to name the table. The table here is named test data, but I think we're going to change that because we like everything to be charming. So to insert into a table, we're just going to name the table charming table. Okay, and now it's written, and we can see what's there. We have this really nice script that you can also copy from the Charming site. I'm just going to copy and paste it, and then you'll see the contents, all the contents of our database, which is of course just the name of the website. Illegal. Okay, so as you see, we just need to paste it in properly with the proper formatting, and then we press enter, and there we have it. Here you have all the stuff that's in this database. It's showing this is in the admin database. We have to return to the Charming DB. And then we'll paste that script in again, and this time we'll see the data that we put in. Of course, above we see the names of the users, the name of Charming. You see he's got root access. All right, so now let's switch over to the remote desktop. It's really easy to connect via remote desktop because these are Windows. Here's the remote desktop. But let me show you a little bit how you would need to connect. You go to your instance, your Windows instance that you launched from the marketplace, and you do connect, and you download the remote desktop file. You do get password. You have to, in order to get the password, you have to give it the key that you have, and the key that you have is going to decrypt the password, and then it'll show up in this window. You copy it and you paste it into the window that you're going to click on, when you download that, the little desktop file. And then it opens up to a nice remote desktop. Alright, and here we have, right, we're right immediately connected. We'll just do this a little nicer. See here, we're going to connect, use the same username and password. The password, as we mentioned, is the instance ID. The username is Charming. Okay, and over here, we're going to just hit enter. Okay, and now if we want to see the database that we created over there, we should be able to just paste it in like we did over there. Sometimes Windows gets annoyed and it doesn't let you do it. Here, it's empty. Okay, there you go. Here you see again, this is the admin database. We'll switch to the Charming DB database, and well, again, there we have our object that we created before. It's even got an object ID and all this kind of stuff, and we're good to go.